Have you ever used a whoosh sound effect whose length or tone didn't quite match the visuals on screen? In this video, I'll show you my step-by-step method to create custom transition sounds that can be tailored to your specific use case. So let's get started. I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro, but this is not meant to be a detailed tutorial, but rather an overview of the concepts which you can apply to your editor of choice. The first step after finishing your video edit is to download or record your foundational audio track. For general transitions or speed ramping, a recording of a steady wind will usually work fine, but you can apply this technique to any other ambient sound that best fits your video. Step 2 is lining up volume keyframes to your video clip. Locate the apex of your transition and create a volume keyframe. Then create 2 more keyframes before and after with a lower volume. Step 3 is to use a parametric EQ, if needed, to create some tonal variation. In this example, I've got a keyframe that boosts the high frequencies and then drops them back down before and after. Step 4 is layering different transition sounds for some variety. Here I have 2 sounds that I've already made. And if you're wearing headphones, you'll notice we come to step 5, which is panning. I've got one of these files panned to the right and one to the left, because that makes sense in this particular situation. So if I play those 2 files layered on top of our foundational track, here's what it sounds like. And that is my very quick overview on how to create custom transition sounds for your videos. Thanks for watching Ready Set Drone, and see you next time.